Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert Google Docs to EPUB publication. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To convert Google Docs to EPUB publication, go to your Google Docs and open your document. Click on File tabs on upper left corner. Then go to Download and you will find here EPUB publication .epub. Just click on EPUB publication. Look, the .epub file has been downloaded. Just click on Show in Folder. Look, the EPUB file has been downloaded here and the file type is EPUB. This is very easy way to convert Google Docs to EPUB publication file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.